What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test Splitz-All. This is a medium, 25 pounds. They also have the heavier one, 35 pounds, and a light one for kids. I think that one is like 10 or 15 pounds. So I got medium one because I don't think I will need heavy one, because the wood I'm gonna be splitting with are not too hard to split, because the ones that have too many nuts I'll just split it with the log splitters, the hydraulic ones. But those easy ones, you need something to split, especially when you're over here in the mountain and you have big logs and there's no way you can burn them out. So it's easier to just split them a few ways and then burn them up. Also, it came with one of those chains right here. This is awesome to hold the log together while you're splitting it, so you don't have to keep lifting them up. Also, if you have the smaller logs, you can put like 3 or 4 or 5 together, and so that way you can keep splitting them without keep picking them up. Let's put this thing to the test and see if it's actually going to work really well or not. Okay, first thing we're going to do is stand all these little logs up. I'm gonna try to do this with the little logs first, see if they're gonna be easy to split. Then you put a chain around it. Let me show you close up how cool that is. When you tighten it, there's a little hook handle, so that way it's very comfortable. Wow, this is nice. Then you set it on the wood. I'm gonna show you how it works from far away first, and then I'll do a close-up view. Wow, this is easy. By the way, I'm splitting all these logs on a wet ground, very soft ground. So on a soft ground it's a little bit harder to split, but it does a good job anyway. I'll do it right here one more time. Wow, and I love how chain holding it all together. Line it up. 1, 2, 3. Easy. Line it up. 1, 2, 3. That's so awesome. 1, 2, 3. And this one had a little knot on it and it was no problem. Wow, so cool, so easy. This is too much fun to use, and it's a great workout. This is why I don't need gym. I can just come here, split firewood, and actually save money on electricity instead of spending money on a gym and wasting my time too. Whoa, one time. This one is knotted pretty good. 2 times. You know what I would do with this? I'd get earplugs to save your hearing, because it's kind of loud. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I would split this one more time. But how cool is that? That chain definitely helps split so many logs before it fell down. Let me show you close up without the chain. What you do is just go like that and then start bending on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, this is a good and big piece. Let's do this one more time. Again, soft ground, it's a little bit harder on soft ground. It's just driving into the dirt. Again, probably when I have hearing protection, because it's pretty loud when you're bending it together. But check this out. This wood is beautiful. Have a little knot over here. That's why it was a little bit harder. Let's try another one. One sideways, my fault. It's okay, easy to take it out. Okay, let's try this again. Easy. This little pieces is actually pretty easy to split them with a log splitter, probably with 1 or 2 hits. Boom, that's nice. What it is made for is actually for those big rounds, like at least this much. That is hard to carry, put it in the car to cut them with log splitter. So let's go do that. Let's go try to split the big pieces, and we'll compare it to a regular log splitter, and we'll see which one is better. Okay guys, there's two very similar pieces, this one and this one. First one, I'll try to split it with a log splitter. Not bad. Yeah, do it. And now it's finally stuck. Got it. Got it. Wow, this one is nice. Finally stuck right here again. You see, log splitter is my favorite. By the way, I should have put chain around it, so that way I don't have to lift them up all the time. You see, I'm talking about without the chain, I have to lift them up. And you don't want to bend as much. But this one is a lot bigger. Let's see. Nothing. Nothing. You see, it just doesn't break that much. Smaller piece with this log splitter. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I don't even need a chain right now. And I can really take off smaller pieces right away. So that way I got desirable pieces right away. This is awesome. Split it the long way easily as well. Okay, let's see how it does. Wow, didn't break it all the way, that's crazy. Pull it out. Nice, now I did it all the way. Wow, that's awesome. Let's do another piece right here. You want to do it straight. I bend a little bit to the side. Very nice. Well, I was hitting it with the axe right here. Woo, there you go. And look at that piece, let me show it to you close up. Nice, look at that, right in half. So this thing works just like a splitting wedge. Break those things in half, and then you can probably use in combination. Once you split it in half, it will be a lot easier to use this. Now it will work on it really easy. Once it's split in half, it's a lot easier. Let's try this again. It did split it, it just fell. Very nice. You see what I'm talking about? And again, this one a little bit too big. Now it's not splitting it with the splitting hole. But just hit it to the side right here and it will do it. It is a lot lighter, 4 pounds versus 25 pounds. Keep hitting it with. But if you have to swing more than 5 times to split big log in half, maybe you should use that giant splitting wedge with the 25 pounds on it. Boom, split it, and then finish it up with the log splitter. Look at that. Now it's splitting it easy. This is the thicker side in the middle. There you go. I like when it splits halfway but not all the way. That's why I can come up over here and finish it off. Boom, check this out. So almost on purpose not swing it all the way so it stays together. Very nice. One more little test. This right here is log locust, very dense wood, and it's most valuable firewood because it's so dense. It burns forever, and also the coarser gets the hottest. And it's really hard to split because grains are all twisted up. And look at it, it has a knot in here. Let's start to heat it and see what happens. You see, my splitting mold just hits it and flies back. One more time. You see, now I'm just stuck to it. I'm gonna do it right on a knot, just like the other one. See if it's going to get any easier. Wow, can you believe it? Look at it, it's split right on a knot. Crazy. I keep it together, split it one more time. Brace yourself. Boom. Look at that. That's so awesome. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this Splitz-All Log Splitter? You know, it's like you can buy those wedges, but you will have to have another like a mold with that, and you gotta keep bending it to split them. This one already all common ones. It's like a splitting wedge with the 25 pounds on it, so it makes it really easy to drive in the wedge. Love this tool. Definitely must have in my book to split big rounds. If you're wondering why I'm wearing one glove and why did I switch out, because my battery died on the camera. I had to drive up, switch the battery, I brought some firewood back, and I left my gloves back there, and I only have one glove in this side-by-side left, so I was using at least one glove. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.